perfect faces, they all belong in magazines. Those girls the boys are chasing, winning all the games they're playing, they're always in a different league. Stretching toward the sky like I don't care, wishing you could see me standing there. But I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you'd want me. If I could, I'd change overnight, I'd turn into something you'd like. But I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you'd pick me. But I know you don't have a clue. The sunflower's waiting for you, waiting for you. No thorns in this dimension, hiding this fear of rejection. This high, I've never felt so small. Not used to this attention, permanently in suspension. I wish I didn't care at all. Stretching toward the sky like I don't care, wishing you could see me standing there. But I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you'd want me. If I could, I'd change overnight, I'd turn into something you'd like. But I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you'd pick me. But I know you don't have a clue. The sunflower's waiting for you, waiting for you. But I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you'd pick me. But I know you don't have a clue. Sunflowers waiting for you, waiting for you.
Little do you know how I'm breaking while you fall asleep. Little do you know I'm still haunted by the memories. Little do you know I'm trying to pick myself up piece by piece. Little do you know I need a little more time. Underneath it all, I'm held captive by the hole inside. I've been holding back for the fear that you might change your mind. I'm ready to forgive you, but forgetting is a harder fight. A little do you know I need a little more time.
I'll wait, I'll wait. I love you like you've never felt the pain. I'll wait, I promise you don't have to be afraid. I'll wait, my love is here to stay. So lay your head on me. Little do you know, I know you're hurting while I'm sound asleep. Little do you know, all my mistakes are slowly drowning me. Little do do you know I'm trying to make it better piece by piece. Little do you know I love you till the sun dies. Oh wait, just wait, I love you like I've never felt the pain. Just wait, I love you like I've never been afraid. Just wait, my love is here and here to stay.
So lay your head on me.
Oh wait, I love you like you never felt the pain. Oh wait, I promise you don't have to be afraid. Oh wait, my love is here and here to stay. So lay your head on me. Lay your head on me. So lay your head on me. 'Cause little do you know I love you till the sun dies.
Simula po nung una, hindi na maintindihan, nararamdaman. Naging magkaibigan, ngunit di umabot na magkaibigan. Tanggap ko yun noon, kampante na ganun na lang. Sapat na nakasama kita, kahit hanggang dun na lang. Di na lang ako lalapit, di na lang titingin, para hindi na rin mahulog pa sa iyong mga mata. Siguro nga hindi na dapat na umasa pa. Di naman inaasahan, di naman sinasadya, pero alam ko rin naman hanggang dito na lang. Dilimutin ang damdamin, isisigaw na lang sa hangin. Mahal kita, mahal kita. Sinubukan ko naman na pigilan ang nararamdaman, kahit mahirap lumayo at umiwas sa'yo. Hirap pa rin hindi lumapit, di maiwasang tumingin. Mukha yatang ako'y nahulog na sa iyong mga mata. Siguro nga hindi na dapat na umasa pa. Di naman inaasahan, di naman sinasadya, pero alam ko rin naman hanggang dito na lang. Dilimutin ang damdamin, isisigaw na lang sa hangin. Mahal kita, mahal kita. Nakatingin mula sa malayo, tanggap ko nga ba to? Sapat na nga ba to? Nung ako'y lumapit, nasa iyo lang ang tingin. Hinuwag ka ng iyong kamay, pero iyong sinabi, siguro nga hindi na dapat inaasahan. Sa tagal kong naghihintay sa'yo, nagmahal na ng iba. Tinuruan niya ako
Sayang giliw, ito ang sinapit, akin lamang napag-alaman. Wala ang tindi ng puot at yung galit, kung wala ring mababalikan. Bakit hindi kita mapigil at magawang kita'y habulin? Hindi makakibot pa ay kapwa akin, di magalaw hanggang tingin na lamang ang akin, hanggang maglaho sa abutan na hidwaan natin mananatili. Sa'yo ba'y merong katuturan? Di na batid natatalikdan ang hinagap nating sumpaan. Hahantong din pala ang lahat sa kabiguan. Bakit hindi kita mapigil at magawang kita'y habulin? Hindi makakibot pa ay kapwa akin, di magalaw. Bakit hindi kita masisi? Pagiging tama o mali, anong silbi kung tayo rin mawawagli? Anong saysay kung tayo rin mawawagli? Anong saysay?
Pilit nating iniwasan ganitong mga tanungan, at kahit di sigurado, tinuloy natin ang ating ugnayan. Ngayon'y naubos ng kwentuhan, nagsimula ng magsisihan. Lahat ay parang lumabo, di alam kung saan tutungo.
Sabi ko na nga ba, dapat nung una pa lamang, di na umasa, di naniwala. Hindi tayo pwede puso'y huwag nating pahirapan. Suko na sa laban, hindi tayo pwede.